Third, I am usually oblivious to this, seeing that projection is happening inside out. I think that the family member is outside. I think that Ekta and this computer and all this knowledge session is outside. I think that all the belongings that are termed as mine in this room are outside. I keep thinking this is all outside. Can you see very clearly, moment to moment, that projection is inside out? Yeah, and this sadhana begins in Swapna Nidra Jnana Sadhana. If you have been practicing that, recognizing from the deep sleep state, the eye sense comes first. From the eye sense, sight, sound, smell, taste, touch projects in the dream. And then that same sight, sound, smell, taste, touch is extended to the waking. And you wake up recognizing, oh, this projected out of me. Even this body lying on the bed projected out of me the consciousness. So, projection is inside out. Am I able to see this? If I'm constantly oblivious to this, means I'm not seeing it moment to moment to moment. I will again get lost in the Kriya Chakra. Yeah, so here everything has been spelled out in detail how you get lost in the wheel of action in the Kriya Chakra. So if you've not been seeing this, the veracity of the projection being inside out, veracity simply means the truth. That projection is inside out. It's not outside in. There is no world out there. Everything is projected out of me. If this seeing is not there, then you have to go back to your Swapna Nidra Jnana Sadhana. Again, have that soft sankalpa before the body lies down in bed. Have that soft sankalpa. Can I stay as the witness and just recognize that everything is projected from inside out? Yeah. May I have this recognition tonight? And then you allow the body to lie down, and automatically, while getting out of the deep sleep, you will recognize the I sense come up first. That I sense projects the dream. Oh, where did the dream come out from? The deep sleep. So projection is inside out. Then from where did the waking come? Oh, it came from the dream. The same dream extended its sight, sound, smell, taste, touch into the waking. Oh, projection is inside out. It's not outside in. If it were outside in, I would not see it in my dream first. I can see without eyes in the dream. I can hear sounds without ears. I can smell without a nose. I can taste without a tongue. I can touch without the skin. What does it mean? It means these objects of sight, sound, smell, taste, touch were first projected in the dream as subtle thoughts. And then that subtle thought has been projected in the waking as a gross manifestation. And so start seeing projection is inside out.